Good morning, my dear students. So, already discussed in the last class the poverty, the meaning of the poverty. The poverty means the persons who are unable to get three basic necessities: food, clothing, and shelter, education, and health facilities. Then, how to identify the poor people. Then, categorizing of poor. Already I studied the meaning of the poverty. There are two types of poverty: absolute poverty and relative poverty. Then how to identify the poor people. No one will tell us I am poor. So that how to identify the poor people. Then categorizing of poor already we are studying. So today we will discuss the poverty line as per the planning commission. Poverty line as per the planning commission already discussed in the third chapter, the planning commission. So planning commission was established in the year 1950. 1950, after the independent planning commission was established, and always chairman of the planning commission is a prime minister. Already explained the third chapter, LPG policy. That time I explained the planning commission. Planning commission was established in the year 1950, and always chairman of the planning commission is prime minister of the country. Means present chairman of the planning commission is Sri Narendra Modi, and present name, that name was replaced from the planning commission is Niti Ayog. Niti Ayog, that is what is the Niti. Niti means National Institution of Transforming India. Niti means National Institution of Transforming India. So we'll see what is, as per the planning commission, what is the poverty line. Poverty line means the proportion of the people are living in the below poverty line, that is level is there in the rural area 2400 calories food, and urban area 2100 calories food. Already discussed in the last class that 2400 calories food means the persons who are unable to get 2400 calories food per day per person, that person is called as a poor. Means that family is covered under the BPL. BPL means below poverty line. There are two types are there: BPL and APL. BPL means below poverty lines, and APL means above poverty line. So the rural area, as per the planning commission, was poverty line was identified. The rural area, those who are not getting 2400 calories food per day per person, that person is come under the BPL, means below poverty line. And come to urban area, that limit is there 2100 calories food per person per day, that person is come under the BPL family, that is called as the below poverty line. Means those who are not getting 2400 calories food, that person is called as a poor. In urban area, those are not getting 2100 calories food, that person is a poor, so that person is come under the BPL family, that is called as a below poverty line. So in the BPL, those who have BPL ration cards, below poverty line, the in the ration shop they are getting the rice, wheat, sugar, then pulses will be getting the free of cost, that is called as the BPL. Now why this limit is there more in rural area and less in the urban area? Because rural area limit is there 2400 calories food, and urban area limit is there 2100 calories food. So we'll see there are three sectors are there: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. Primary sector is considered as a agriculture sector. So in the village level, means rural people totally depend on the agriculture. That's why this limit means 2400 calories limit is more in rural area, because they are getting easily food. Those who are living in the rural area people, they are getting the easily food. That's why this limit is there rural area more 2400 calories food. And why urban area is less 2100 calories food? Because they are depend on the these two sector: primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sectors. Rural area people depend on the primary sector, means agriculture sector, all allied activities. Allied activities which are there like animal husbandry, fishing, milk, etc. So secondary sector and tertiary sector, urban people depend on these two sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. So secondary sector is considered as a manufacturing sector or industrial sector, and tertiary sector is considered as a like transportation, communication, school, colleges, hospitals, then banking, insurance, etc., etc. So these people are depend on these two sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. That's why this limit is less, because they are purchasing the food, they are purchasing the food or purchasing the rice or whatever material is there from the market. That's why this limit is there less in the urban area. And most important thing, in 2400 calories food is there, they are very, it's not high, only 300 calories is more compared to the urban people, because they are totally depend on the agriculture. That's why this limit is more. Next is head count ratio. Head count ratio. Now what is mean by head count ratio? Head count ratio means the number of poor estimated as the proportion of people below poverty lines. Means number of poor was estimated is the proportion of below poverty line. Means how many people are there? Means what is the exact number of poor in India? That is called as the head count ratio. Still in India, 21% poverty is there. 21 to 22% poverty is there. Means approximately 24 crore peoples are living in the below poverty line. Means out of, as per the 2011 census, India's population is there 121 crore. So out of 121 crore, really means it is approximately value that 24 crore people are unable to get the three basic necessities. That is called as a head count ratio. The number of poor was estimated the proportion of below poverty line. So already discussed the below poverty line and above poverty line. BPL means below poverty lines, APL means above poverty line. You can easily understand in home the two ration cards are there. One is BPL and APL. BPL means the persons are getting the free of cost rations, means like rice, wheat, sugar will be getting, pulses will be getting. So that is what is the BPL. APL means above poverty line. Above poverty line means that persons are not getting anything. They are not getting any rice, not getting anything wheats, not getting anything. That is called as the APL, above poverty line. So next we will discuss the causes of poverty. What was the main reason? What was the main reason why people are poor? Why people are poor? So causes means reason. Causes means reason. So we will see one by one. Exploitation under British rule. Exploitation under British rule means in when we got the independence in the 1947. That time to till today, exploitation is there. Means that time zamindars, jagirdars, they are giving land to the people on the basis of rent. On the basis of rent, they are giving land to the people to the cultivate. So that is called as an exploitation under British rule. Means that time peoples are exploited morely. Means they are giving burden to the people. Means whatever they are cultivating the land, the some lump sum amount of the part we have to give to that jagirdars or zamindars. That is called as the exploitation under British rule. Second one, economic inequalities. Economic inequalities means whatever national income is there or per capita income is there. National income is sum of the total income of all goods and services produced in a country within a year. National income is sum of the total income of all goods and services produced in a country within a year. So that is not equal. Means distributed of the national income is not distributed equally. That is called as the economic inequalities. Already given example in the last class. I will give again that same example. In 2016, UPSC results was announced. In 2016, UPSC results was announced. UPSC means Union Public Service Commission. So the persons who are become a like IAS officer, Indian Administrative Services, then IPS, Indian Police Service, IFS, IRS, that persons are passed this exam. So 2016 UPSC results was announced. I will show the two mark list. One is Tina Bhabi and another is Ankit Srivastav. Ankit Srivastav. Tina Bhabi scored 195 marks and Ankit Srivastav scored 230 marks. 230 marks. She scored only 195 and he scored 230 marks. 230 marks means compared to she have 35 marks extra 35 marks. Then also this person is failed. Means Ankit Srivastav was failed and Tina Bhabi was passed. That is called as the economic inequalities. Means she is from lower caste and Ankit Srivastav is a higher caste. Means she is a whatever is there SC, ST and Ankit Srivastav is a upper caste means general merit. That's why this person is passed. She is passed and Ankit Srivastav is a failed. See, number of people means 195 marks is there, 230 marks is there. Means more than 35 marks is there. Then also this person is failed because he is a upper caste and she is a lower caste. That is called as the economic inequalities. Next, low resources base. Low resources base means still in India some people don't have any land. Some people have 2 acre of land. In India still the person in rural area some people don't have any land. They are taking land on the basis of rent and they are cultivating. So that is called as a low resources. Those some people have more number of land, some people have very low land, like 2 acre of land. Within 2 acre of land, the persons who are not cultivating any means more number of crops. So that is called as a low resources base. Next is the unemployment. Why people are unemployed? Because in India population is more. In India, next is there is only a rapid growth of population. This is depend on this. Why people are unemployed? Because take example only in the COVID-19 within March to month of August or September. So till today, some people are totally unemployed because some people are migrate to the Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai, Bangalore means Hyderabad. IT cities are there. Those are information technology cities are there. They are migrate there. All the peoples are came to the native place and they are totally unemployed. That is called as the unemployed. So this is the main reason for the poor people means causes of the poverty. So why people are unemployed? Because rapid growth of population is there. So population is more. So governments are failed to provide a job to the every person. So that's why unemployment is more in India. And next is rapid growth of population. So in India, every day population was increased fasterly. Population was growing fasterly than the growth. So in the world, China is the first country is there, and India is the second country is there in the population. But in next year 2021, India will come first and China will come second because China made a strict rule. China made a strict rule means only we have to possess one child. The persons who are possess or taken a second chance means if the particular couple are given a second chance or possess a second baby, then they have to leave to the country. Means we have to leave the country. Suppose the both the couples ex family is there, or that family if the possess a two child, then we have to leave this country and we have to go to the other country. That much of strict rule is there in the China. That's why China's population was controlled. But in India, there is no rules, no regulation. Government was announced, हम दो हमारे दो, but people are not following. Still in India, because population is more, because of boy child. Means if suppose a particular ex couples continue, first child is girls and second child also girls, then also they are taking the third chance because of this reason, because they want a boy baby. That's why in India population is more. Next, illiteracy. In India high illiteracy is there. The persons take example in the Bihar only. In the Bihar, there are people are not getting three basic necessities: food, clothing, and shelter. Is it possible to go to school? No. In out of 29 states in India, there are two states are there. One state highest literacy rate is there. One state lowest literacy rate is there. Highest is there Kerala, and lowest is there Bihar. Why? Why Kerala literacy rate is there high? Because their poverty is very low. And why Bihar literacy rate is there high? Because illiterate people are there, because their poverty is more. Means in Bihar the people are not getting three basic necessities easily. Is it possible to go to school? No. That's why these are the number of people, or number of these are the causes are there for the poverty. So today's class already discussed the planning commission. Means as per the poverty line, as per the planning commission, those are not getting 2400 calories food. In the rural area, that person is a poor. Come to urban area, the limit is there 2100 calories food. Already explained why 2400 calories means high in the rural area, because they are totally depend on the agriculture, and urban area people totally depend on the secondary and tertiary sector. Next, the head count ratio, the proportion of poor estimated on the basis of the below poverty line. Already explained the BPL and APL, below poverty line and above poverty line. Next, the causes of the poverty. First, exploitation under British rule. Then economic inequality is there, high illiteracy is there, unemployment is there. So these are the causes are there poverty. Thank you.